In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an animated medical slide in PowerPoint, and this is how the slide works. When I click, you can see here one capsule comes, okay, and then the contents inside of the capsule will come out, and then you can just add the title and the detailed text. So I've created two slides, one with animation, another without animation. So depending on your requirement, you can choose the slide from. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group, and if you like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide, go to view, enable the guides, then go to insert shapes. From the rectangles, select the rectangle top corners rounded, just draw it. Depending on your requirement, you can increase or decrease the size. And you can see the two small orange points. The top orange point, I'm just going to drag inside so it becomes fully curved. You can see here, this is the capsule actually I'm drawing. So let me just increase the size a little bit, and then I will just reduce the overall size. You can see here, and then just go to rotate, and I'm just rotate left 90 degrees, and then just put it here. Maybe if you want, increase the size or reduce the width, no issues with that. Again, shape outline, make it no outline. Then I'm going to give some different color combination for this. Maybe I'm just going to use some dark color or any other color, and I want to give one glossy look. For that, go to insert shapes, select the oval shape, draw the oval shape, okay, maybe this much size. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, you can choose white or any other color also, and then go to the effects, soft adjust, increase the size. You can see here it got the a glossy look. And then if you want, you can just add some more shapes also here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this shape, press Ctrl D to duplicate. You can see here. Then I'm just going to rotate, and I'll say just flip horizontal. And shape fill, let me just give a very light color so that you know exactly what I'm trying to do. Then what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to select and exactly put it here, okay. Then I'm going to select all and press Ctrl G to group it, okay. And then I'm just going to move aside and press Ctrl D to duplicate, bring one more here. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a different color combination for this. Maybe I'm going to give some gray color here, and you can see here this particular glossy effect, I'm going to bring it here and make sure that, or if it is not visible, what you can do is you can just ungroup this, and then I can just select and bring this to front. Let me just select this one only and bring to front. You can see here something like this glossy effect, and this one I'm going to give a light color, and then let me just group it back, Ctrl G. Now why I'm doing this one, because I'm going to give one animation effect, and when I'm giving the spin animation, it should the rotate from here, not from this side, from the center, okay. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this, okay. You can see here shape fill, make it no fill, so it won't be visible. Then I'm going to select this, and this also shape fill, make it no fill, okay. Now select this and bring it down. Let me just move this up also, so it looks like one shape, okay. Or what we can do is we can first add the animation and then do that one. So let me just close this one, go to the animations, enable the animation pane. First animation I want to make it with which is fly in. Fly in should come from left, okay, something like this. And then I'm just going to add one more animation to it. You have to say add animation and just say spin. You can see here spinning. So spin, it should spin only, say maybe 10 degrees. Control just enter key and click OK. So you can see here it is just going up a little bit. All right, and this should happen after previous. And then I'm going to select this animation painter, click on this one. Now this one, instead of coming from this one left, it should come from right. Okay, that's the one thing. And the other thing is this one, double click this, and the amount, instead of clockwise, select counterclockwise and click OK. So it comes something like this. Okay, so let me just move this here, a little gap I will give it. Okay, so a little bit of gap on both of this, and let me just select this one and move a little bit gap. Okay, now let me just, this one also should happen after previous, or I can just say with previous also, not a problem. So let me just first check this one actually should happen with previous only. Okay, and this one should happen again with previous. Okay, so let me just see whether it is okay or not. If not, we have to do it. See, it's coming one after the another. Actually both should come. So this and this, we can see here, fly in, I'm going to bring it together. Okay, and now if I play, see both are coming, and now so both the animation, it has to be together. All right, so if I play now, here it comes and then it goes something like this. Can you see here, the capsule comes and it's open. Then what we need to do is we need to just add some the medicine, internal medicine, whatever, in form of bubbles. I'm just going to add it there. So let me just close the animation pane, and I want to just change the background of the slide. You can just add any background, any image or any gradient fill. So let me just go to the format background. You can see here gradient fill is there, or picture or texture fill is there. So I'm just going to use the image which I've downloaded from the net. I'm just going to click on the clipboard because I've already copied it. So it comes something like this. All right, and then what I'm going to do now is go to insert shapes, select the oval shape, just click the oval shape, and I'm going to give a gradient fill. Gradient fill, I'm just going to use the radial. Okay, and here I just want to add maybe some white here. Let me just give something like this. You can see here the small one. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, and this time I'm going to give some gray color. You can see here I can use some dark gray color, and here also I can use some gray color. All right, and then make sure that shape outline is no outline. Here also shape outline, no outline. Then hold the shift key, reduce the size. All right, again for this also I'm just going to reduce the size, and press Ctrl D to duplicate. And then if you want, you can keep the same size, or you can just keep varying the sizes. Okay, so you can see here I'm just keep on changing some different all right sizes. Okay, this is something small, something big. So like this, what you can do is you can press Ctrl D to duplicate and then add as many as you want. Here you can see here maybe I want to add more of this size, and here also again Ctrl D, I'm going to reduce the size, again Ctrl D. All right, so I can just increase or decrease according to the requirement. Ctrl D again. You can see here maybe the smaller one I need more. I'm just pressing Ctrl D here. All right, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this and then bring it here as if it is coming out from the capsule. So let me just arrange this one so that it is coming out. It should look like it is coming out from the capsule. So let me just add as many as I want. You can see here. All right, so you can see like this, I can just add it. You need to just arrange it as per your requirement. Okay, all right, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select only this and press Ctrl G to group it and move this aside here somewhere. Here I'm just going to keep it, and then if you want you can just rearrange also. Okay, then I'm going to add the animation for this. So go to the animations, enable the animation pane, and this one I'm going to say a fly, not fly in, a wipe. Okay, wipe, make it from top, and this should happen after previous, or you can just say with previous also, but you need to just increase the, you can see here, with the moment when it opens and the capsule just rotates, then only you need to just these things should come out. So let me just play now. If I just come, you can see here it comes something like this, and this one I have to just send this to back. Go to shape format, send to back. Okay, so let me just play again. The capsule opens and the contents of the capsules comes out, something like this, you can see here. So once this is done, it's very easy. Now you can just add as many options you like depending on your requirement. So go to insert text box. I'm just going to add your title here. Okay, you can just reduce the font size. If you want, you can make it bold. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert shapes. I'm going to select the rounded corner rectangle, draw the rounded corner rectangle, shape outline, make it no outline, and just send this back so that the text is visible. Alright, so now with this text, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it a white font. Okay, and then just put it here, and then select both of these and press Ctrl G to group it, and then go to insert text box, add detail text here. So again, some detailed text, you can just simply add it, center align, give some different font, you can see here, and then depending on your requirement I can make 4, 5, 6, so it's up to you whether if you want you can just make it straight. Alright, and then I'm just going to select all of this, press Ctrl D, and then just move it to the right side. Alright, so something like this you can see. And then for this also you can just give the animation. I'm going to animations, and then I'm going to give a fly in. I will say from left, you can see here, and that should happen either on click or after previous. And this also I'm going to make it fly in. Again, this is also from left, and this should happen maybe with previous or after previous. Then using the animation painter, I'm just going to copy to the other options. You can see here, again let me just click it here, and this one I will move it to right. Okay, and then I can just double click this also, and I can just do one by one. Okay, that's it. So if I play the slide, you can see here it comes, and then you can just add the contents as per your requirement.